Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Contacts app, tap on the three bars at top left corner and a menu will slide onto your screen. Simply tap on the Manage Contacts button and then select Move Contacts. After that, select the contacts you would like to move. Then select the Google account and tap on Move. Note that you must only select the Google account that you want to sign into your other device. Once the contacts are moved, switch over to the iOS device and go to the Device Settings app. Now, go to the Mail tab and select Accounts. Here, tap on Add Account, select Google from the list, and then sign into that Google account. Once signed in, this type of window will open up. Simply toggle on contacts and you are good to go. Now all of your synced contacts will be displayed. So that's basically how you can transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.